Bucky's Wheels and Deals. Man, we over here at the stereo shop. Told y'all he about to get it done. You see the tent, it looking good. It's out here raining, man. It's looking ugly out here, y'all. But yeah. Hey, pop the trunk for him. Yeah. He got that boom, boom, clap, boom, 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 clap. Open this up. So yeah, he going with these. We're not gonna use these wires. But yeah, we're going with this amplifier. Pioneer. Here go the model and everything for y'all. Boom. I don't know how many watts it got. I forgot. I think it got either. Yeah, I forgot. I think it got like, I don't know. I want to say 12 or 22. I don't know. I know it sounds good because it came out of my old Monte Carlo. Those are the Champion Series Pros. Yeah. But yeah, he gonna have them all hitting, hooked up for y'all guys to know what type of stereo he got. He got the Pioneer. What is that? Is the AVH X2500 BT. But yeah, you know, a lot of y'all guys be asking me what stereo, what's this, what did he go with? But yeah, that's what he went with. But yeah, we gonna hear how it sounds. It's gonna be his first beat he ever had. He's not sure how it's gonna sound, but I know he's gonna love it. I know he's gonna like it. He really ain't gonna be able to get him out of this car. But man, it's still looking good. The Mako paint still holding up. Still looking good, man. So yeah, we over here at King Master. There you go. We over here at King Master Stereos in Lawrence. There's a number and everything on 29th Street, y'all. But yeah, when we come back, that thing gonna be hit. We got the beat, y'all. Melly Mel had to see this.
Yeah, I had to.
What they got on your car? Some shoes?
You know, he be.
What the heck is that? That's yours?
He's rushing to work.
Oh, you put that stuff? He ready to go to work. He on the grind. Don't roll the window down. Start the car up. They don't want to see all that. Start the damn car. Oh, we were talking about pushing something back. What you? Oh, they didn't know what. Oh, that's where they put the amp at? Okay. They're just letting you know. Let's see. Come on, y'all. Let's see, man. He nervous, man. Look at him. Uh-oh, you the man now.
Turn it up.
You turn it up, go ahead. No, hey, run it back. Melly, run it back for him. He gonna put a Easy E with his little J curl on top of his head. Man. Oh man, he's a DJ. Oh man. But I put that. I want to have some bass. Let him hear that. Get up in there.
Oh shit.
Like it? You happy? Happy, huh? Way better, huh? Oh man.
Hard work. I'm excited for you.
I don't need no copywriting, but man. And to let y'all know, he like that old school shit. Can't tell him nothing. Down there made me proud. Can't tell him nothing. Got new tint, new paint. Oh, he ain't done. He just getting started. Stepson over here working minimum wage, working hard, on his way to work. He stay on his grind. Man, Y'all know I'm riding with Melly Mel in there and Paula. He out. Can't tell nothing. Hey y'all, just like that, this video is over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Lucky's Wilson Dylan. I'm out. Yay!